Are you looking for a powerful, modern power supply that can keep up with your high-end graphics card? Then stick around until the end. Today we're checking out a real powerhouse that no serious gaming setup should be without. So what makes this power supply special? Let's start with the most important part, power. And this unit has plenty of it, and with 1,200 watts, about 1.6 horsepower, you're ready for even the most demanding components. Whether you're running an RTX 4090 or a massive Threadripper CPU, you'll get stable and reliable performance even under full load. A real highlight here is the new ATX 3.1 standard. That means you're fully up to date with modern power delivery, including the 12 V2x6 connector, designed specifically for the latest NVIDIA GPUs. No messy adapters, just plug it in and you're good to go. The power supply is fully modular, so you only connect the cables you actually need. This not only improves airflow, but also keeps your build clean and organized. And with a depth of just about 6.3 inches, 160 millimeters, it's fairly compact and fits into many builds, even if you're not using a huge case. Staying cool is, of course, important, and this PSU handles that smartly. The large 135mm fan doesn't even spin until around 50% load. That means when you're just browsing, working, or watching movies, your system stays practically silent. Only when things heat up does the fan kick in, keeping everything nice and cool. The internal components are also top-notch. High-quality Japanese capacitors ensure stable voltages with minimal ripple, protecting your components over the long term. Price-wise, it's on the higher side, but you're getting future-proof technology, plenty of power, and quiet operation. If you're serious about gaming or heavy workloads, this investment is definitely worth it. If you're interested, be sure to check the description. You'll find deals and more info there. So what are the pros and cons of this PSU? Pros: massive power, ideal for high-end GPUs and CPUs. Future-proof with ATX 3.1 and 12 V2x6 connector. Fully modular design, clean cable management, highly efficient, saves energy and runs cool. Quiet operation in everyday use thanks to zero fan mode. Premium components for long lifespan. Compact build, fits in many cases. Cons: higher price than standard models. Fan becomes audible under full load. Not ideal for very small cases. Some users report mixed reviews. If you're looking for a powerful, modern PSU that's ready for the future, this model is absolutely worth checking out. Take a look in the video description for all offers and links. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.